Hey there, this is Jeremiah with Leading Local and wanted to show you some early results that we got for LMD break and alignment in Medford, Oregon. So this is inside the Leading Local Command Center. And so as a client, you get access to all of this here and you can see real time what your current Google business listing results are based on user's location and the keyword. So to give a little bit of background, we started having conversations with LMD back in January, and then we launched the website on April 17th. And so I'll just kind of show you a comparison of where they were on April 17th and where they are today for some of these keywords. So if we go back to April 17th for alignment shop, then you can see here that the average ranking was 5.45, and they only were ranking number one in a couple spots, and it was kind of hit and miss all across the board. And a good portion of Medford area and just the Rogue Valley in general, they're ranking past number three, so in the 4s, 5, 6, 7, 10. And if we jump to May 8th, so not even a month later, you can see all this green here. So they're ranking number one in more areas, as well as number two and number three in more areas. And we should see these other numbers start to grow as well. And then if we look at brake pad replacement, this one has also improved quite dramatically. You can see all the green here today for May 8th. And if we go back to April 17th, you can see it's very sporadic. They had a few number threes, but a lot of high numbers in there as well. So this basically represents if somebody was standing with their phone in this specific location and they were searching brake pad replacement, that's where this business is showing up. Now, if we go to brake repair, this is one that's seen a dramatic increase. They were ranking beyond 20 in a lot of places and on like the second page in many places here, lots of red. And if we go here to today, the average ranking is 10 now, and we are moving in the right direction. Just actually seeing some more green here and should start to see some of these churn as well. Brake replacement is one that we're working heavily on. This one was also quite terrible. Here's back on April 17th. So, not doing great here. They were really ranking low, and you can see that that's made a good jump in the right direction here. And it's still early, right? We've only been working with them for a month since we launched the website, not even a month yet. And then if you look at Brake Shop, this is also looking really good. If we go back to April 17th for Brake Shop, you can see here they only had a few in the top three, and now there are quite a bit higher in the search results there. And then finally, wheel alignment. So previously, this is today, May 8th, they're ranking number one kind of all across the valley here in this segment. And then in the top three for a good portion, average ranking is 4.48. And then on April 17th, it wasn't terrible. Wheel alignment was definitely one that they were doing better with, but still dramatic results in just 3 short weeks. And, they've already seen a huge increase in traffic and bookings as well. If we just go here and look at the Google Business performance itself, then we can see here this overview, and you can see on April there was a good bump here when we launched on April 17th, and we did a little bit of pre-work before we actually launched the website, a little bit of work on the profile as well. And we haven't quite got all the data for May yet either, since we're still in the first week. And you can see calls have stayed somewhat steady, but what you'll notice is that the website clicks have gone up dramatically. Previously, they just had a Google Business site, which got shut down in March. And so you can see here a good increase in numbers there. And most people are coming from Google search on mobile, almost 70%, and then 15% on Google Maps, and then some on desktop as well in search and in Google Maps. So all in all, seeing a huge increase there. And if you have any questions or you want to see what your maps look like, then be sure to click that button that says free business audit, free map audit, and fill out your information and get an idea of where you're ranking in your local area. Thanks.